Hello. I decided to do my lesson plan over volcanoes and them erupting, and that's kind of what my lesson plan was over, so that's why I decided to pick volcanoes erupting. And this is a very fun and exciting experiment that they can enjoy, and they can get really creative with it and what they want, how they want to build the actual volcano and what they want to put into it. And volcanoes erupting is just a natural way of Earth releasing its internal heat and pressure, and it's between the crust and the mantle. And volcanoes are everywhere in our world, and it's actually surrounded by, they're actually located between the tectonic plate boundaries and the ring of fire. And two plates, when they collide, that's how they create a volcano. Magma is pressed between them, and that's how a volcano is formed. Now, as the pressure increases, um, it pushes the magma upward, and that is how a volcano actually erupts. And the standard for this is what I found in second grade, and it says to use information from several sources that provide evidence that Earth events can occur quickly and slowly. Well, this would be an Earth event that occurs either quickly or slowly because there are volcanoes that are active, dormant, and extinct. But even active volcanoes, they can either erupt really fast or they can erupt really slow. Most volcanoes, however, do give people warning normally before they erupt. Like within a couple of days, I think is what I read up on. And obviously, when they start to erupt, there's earthquakes and shaking kind of forming. So that's one reason why volcanoes can be so dangerous is the things they create or the after effect of volcanoes. So in this experiment, for mine anyway, I went ahead and I already made the actual like volcano part. And what I did was I took a plastic bottle and I just cut the top part off and put it in the middle of this just like baking sheet, and I took sand and I just like pushed it all in and around to make it look like a volcano. Now, a lot of people use either paper mache, clay, dirt even. There's a lot of different ways to make them, and a lot of different sizes you can use too, depending on like the bottle. Like I just used a small like 20-ounce bottle, so mine's not going to be as big as some people's what might be. Now, um, the first ingredient is a half cup of water. And it said online to use warm water because it'll make the reaction happen quicker because of it being warmer. And then next it said that it wanted um, a fourth cup of dish soap. Okay. And then next would be a fourth cup of vinegar, one of the main ingredients in this experiment. And then the other thing it said was food coloring. I'm just going to pour in there. And then you can stir it around. And mix it up a little bit. Okay? Then the very last ingredient that causes the reaction is going to be baking soda. And actually, I read on one site that the best way to do this is in a tissue. And it says about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to pour. It said dropping it in there, and that'll help create the reaction really fast. Okay, so I'm going to drop it in, and wait. tissue wasn't such a good idea. Here we go. Now it's coming. And there you go. This is an example of a volcanic eruption. And obviously the reaction was from the baking soda and the vinegar. Most people are already aware of that, but there you have it. That is something that I think is something that is fun for kids to enjoy, and is something to get really creative with in making a science project. So there you have it. Thank you.